the short section for overflow and underflow. Overflow occurs when assigning a value that's too large to be held in a variable, and underflow occurs when a value that's too small, or technically its absolute value is too small to be held in a variable. So we have, for one of our extra credit assignments, this program where we imagine that we're creating a program that calculates successive powers of 10. The first several powers of 10 are 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and so on. So a friend tells us that this program will calculate 10 to the 9th, or I'm sorry, 10 to the 8th. So I think this program will calculate 10 to the 8th. So, 1, 0, should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. And that number is 100 million. And the int data type, its maximum, does anyone remember around what's the highest number we can store as an int? Is 100 million in OK int, or is it outside the range? Outside? Yeah, 100 million. It's a pretty big number, but it's not outside the range of ints. Yeah, ints go up to about 2.1 billion. So let's run this program and let's see the result that let's see the result. We name this Overflow. Okay, and we can run this program and look. We see 1 with 8 zeros, hopefully. So that looks fine, yeah. No overflow. How many more times should we multiply by 100 in order to cause an overflow error? Add in another 100. Do you think that's big enough? So it's 10. What was it? Is 100 million? So now it's 100 of those. 10 to the 10th. Is that 10 billion? Trillion? You think we're a trillion with this? Let's see. Let's run it. I think it's going to be. Well, what do we think? Yeah, out of the range because it's in the trillions, so it's more than the billions. Or in the range. Billions like 10 to the 9. Oh yeah, okay. Is that right? 10 to the 10th. So we have run it. Yeah, that doesn't look like a power of 10, huh? Yeah. So what do we think happened now that our numbers in the, well, let's not look here, but let's just decide. So it's a 1 with 10 zeros. So that's 10 billion. Is that right? Is that what this would be? 100 to the 5th or 10 to the 10th? Yeah, is that 10 billion? Okay, large. Okay, yeah, I think so. Okay, cool. And that's bigger than our, yeah. Or someone finished that. Yeah. What's going on here? I don't want to see a power. Out of the range. Yeah, exactly. We went past that 2.1 billion or so range of ins, and by exceeding that range, we caused an overflow error. Okay. There is kind of a follow-up on this in the extra credit section. So uh, for now, let's go ahead and just kind of move on. We also see an error message from line 5, kind of, or not an error, but actually just a warning. So C++ is going to let us try to do this calculation, but as we can see, it was a runtime error.